Nostradamus predictions for 2017. Since the 16th century, Nostradamus predictions and prophecies have been keeping on coming true. Here's what he had predicted for 2017. Russia and Ukraine will sign a peace agreement. According to Nostradamus, 2017 will be the year Russia and the Ukraine come to an agreement. The terms of the agreement are unclear at this time. The United States will oppose the new truce, but Germany and other EU members will embrace it. China will make bold moves to cure the economic imbalance in the world. According to Nostradamus, its actions will have far-reaching effects. Will China become the new superpower as Baba Vanga happened to predict in the 20th century? The past decade, the notion of China becoming the world's next superpower has become almost an idea fix for global politics theorists. A year of definition for Latin America. While 2017 will not be a breakout year for Latin American countries, Nostradamus also predicted that it will be a year of redefinition for them. Governments will move away from leftish policies and will help set the stage for potential civil unrest in the region. Italy will face financial hardship. Unemployment and loans will make Italy the epicenter of the EU financial crisis, shifting attention away from the Greeks and Spain. The Italian banking system is in serious trouble, and the failure of these banks is simply the tip of the iceberg. Non-performing loans that debaters are not paying off as agreed, but which have not yet been written off by the banks, have been on the rise in the past 2 years. Cloud computing will disappear. Nostradamus also predicted that the term cloud will disappear from the phrase cloud computing by 2017 because most of the computers will simply be assumed to be done in the cloud. Superpower sclerosis. The current superpower, referring to USA, will become increasingly ungovernable and incompetent to take care of the world. Ideological polarization, political corruption, growing inequality, globalization of corporate and financial elites, and large-scale social system failures will be the growing factors in the sclerosis. Wars over global warming. Nostradamus believed the possibilities of hot wars could be escalated in 2017 due to global warming and diminishing resources. As far as the warfare itself goes, the greatest threat in the future will be terrorists and bio-attacks. Commercial space travel is the real deal, but beyond orbital flights, things will become exponentially more difficult. The moon, asteroids, and mining missions are unlikely targets within the next 2 years. More widespread use of solar power. By 2017, solar technologies could account for a significant portion of global power generation, according to Nostradamus, helping economies and businesses guard against rising energy costs and the impact of climate change. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.